Hi guys, this is your introduction to your assignment today on Friday. So we have talked a lot about the organisms and how they interact with one another in an ecosystem, and also how the abiotic factors play a part in that too. Yesterday we learned, and this is important, so catch this, limiting factors are things that limit the growth of a population. So that could be like access to food, water, shelter, if there's not enough places to hide from predators, or something like just area in general. We see distinct plant patterns because they need the area, a certain amount of area around each of them so that their roots can get the nutrients they need. And it could be things like elements as well, so like the different molecules that they need. So water would be one, but that's kind of what we're going to look into today as far as our cycles go. So if you go into modules, our assignment today is labeled biocycles. There are four, well, let me read this to you because I wrote it up pretty well. So today you're going to learn about the different cycles in our ecosystem that our ecosystems depend on. There are four main nutrient cycles, but we're going to save learning about the water cycle for our hydrosphere unit. So for this assignment, we're only going to be talking about the carbon cycle, the nitrogen cycle, and the phosphorus cycle. Here's how you're going to do it. You're going to make your own copy so that you can edit of this presentation right here. It's labeled cycles. The link's going to take you to something that looks like this. And so you can edit it, are going to make a copy of the entire presentation, and make sure, again, you change your share settings over here so that anybody with the link can view it. So that way I can grade your assignment. Alright, so you're going to make your own copy of that. Then step 2, you're going to watch the Khan Academy videos for each of the cycles. If you look here, I've got some instructions for you just in case you're forgetting. You're going to watch the video, answer the questions, and use the cycle diagram to fill in the blanks. Those are your steps. So here's the nitrogen cycle video. You're going to push play. You can watch it on YouTube if you would like as well, but this is the one that the questions go with. So you're going to watch the video, and as you watch the video, it might be helpful actually to pull up the link. So you would click it, push play, and then click YouTube right here, and it'll actually take you into a new tab on YouTube. Okay, so you're going to watch the video, and then you're going to use the video to answer these questions. There's 5 of them for each cycle, and they go in order, so you're going to answer. So you're just going to do that by typing right here your answer into the slide. Okay, and then the last step for each of the cycles is to use a filled-in diagram of the cycle to fill in some blanks of the cycle. Now I've already put text boxes here, so if you haven't edited it too much, you should just be able to type right here. So with my example right here, my nitrogen cycle, lightning fixation, this is actually fixing the nitrogen in the air. What do they call it on here? Nitrogen fixation. So you're going to go in and you're going to type nitrogen fixation, and you can change, I would prefer it if you do, you can change the size so it fits nice in that box right there, but if that's not a step you take, that's okay too. I won't count you wrong for it. Okay, so you go through and you type in for all of the cycles. Hopefully that's going to help you learn how the nutrients are cycled through. We're going to touch again on this in later lectures, so this is more of an introduction. This video is where you're going to get the meat of what you need to know about each of the cycles. So we have the nitrogen cycle where you do those steps, and then you also repeat the steps for the carbon cycle. So the carbon cycle video, the questions, and then the diagram filled in, and the diagram not filled in. Some of them are filled in because I didn't want you to fill in too many. And then you do the same thing for the phosphorus cycle. Phosphorus and nitrogen are 5-minute videos each. Carbon cycle is 8 minutes, so this shouldn't take you too terribly long to do. You're probably going to spend about an hour on this assignment today. Okay? And then again for the phosphorus cycle questions, the filled in chart and the non-filled in chart as well. So I expect you to type in what's missing right here. So if you look right here, what's missing is fertilizer, leaching, and runoff. So you would type in fertilizer, leaching, and runoff right here. Exactly what's written on that cycle. Okay? That's your assignment for today. When you're done, you'll take it and you'll either put the link into the text box answer, or you'll actually submit your entire presentation via Google attachment here in Canvas. Alright? Hopefully that should be easy enough for you all. Enjoy your day learning about the nutrient cycles that make our organisms the way they are, or allow our organisms to live. There you go. Alright, enjoy. have a good day. Email me with questions. And if you got extra time, work on some missing assignments. Goodbye.